Calm down, sir. Whoever was driving this. Seems like it's chill, bro.
You should impound it.
Back away from the gate. Back away from the gate. Hi, Charlie.
You back away from the gate.
Yo. What do you mean, what do you need? I'm an officer. I'm a high-ranking officer that wants to get in.
Davey, there's no fucking
well
bullets for it.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, dude. I'm not like Davey the arms dealer. I'm Davey the fucking scuba diver.
Alright, sir. You can check this with Tim.
Officer, can you impound my car? It's just parked up front. Or do you have a repair kit? Oh, the big man on campus. Who's that guy? Oh.
Hey, stop fucking around. I'm gonna shame all of you.
What?
Ah, you just got pranked, officer. Great prank, everybody.
It was that guy that found there in his face.
Run, Davey.
Why? What's happening? Excuse me, do you have a repair kit? In the Mini?
Get the items and get out of here. Save the items, dude. No, get Dave to save them.
No way.
Head back to my house. So I need.
Wait, you have a house? Do you have storage?
Thing saved.
Well, what the hell? Oh, okay.
Davey.
What? Where are you? Oh. Hey, can you, officer? Who's?
Let's see if I can repair it.
William.
Leaving. Oh, you did have a repair. Oh my God, thank you so much.
No problem, man.
See, the kindness of strangers. That's what this community's about.
Yeah. We need more kindness in this community.
Ain't that the truth? And less police brutality.
Do any of you have food? Because I really need a drink. I'm about to die.
Hold on a second.
Who needs a drink, Dylan?
Yeah.
Where did everyone go?
Is this you over here, masked
That's
What?
it. No,
Will.
person? Oh, you're in the car?
Guys, everyone's restrained in the police car, in the police station. Our fuss are like restrained in the police station.
Thank you, stranger.
Okay. All the officers are? Hey, can you just park that in a parking spot for
Yeah, I
Loads
can.
of us are in the police station.
now? You can't. You should have the keys.
Nah, I don't have police for something because I can't lock it.
All right. Well, just park it. Just park it over back there by the Volkswagen. I'll lock.
Davey,
Okay. What?
why is all our people restrained? Look.
None of those aren't any of our people. Henry, why are you naked?
No, look.
Why the fuck not?
There's so many of us restrained.
Davey, what do I do? I can't get any cops to compensate me for my broken legs.
It's because they're all corrupt, dude. Look.
Fuck it, I'm picking up this AR-10.
Davey,
Let's go.
look, so many of us are missing.
Where's
Look,
that
we're
AR-10? Let's go.
there's loads
Give
of
me
them
the AR-10.
restrained in
They
the
don't have ammo.
police station.
I don't give a fuck. I roleplay.
No tents on it.
Look, there's loads of them restrained up there.
Perhaps we should leave and go make money.
We shall jump.
Let's leave. Police are stupid.
Jump like warriors. Do you want to drive my car?
Look.
Oh no, you got your other car fixed. I'm gonna get in with you.
I gotta get some. We gotta go get some food.
Yeah, let's roll, homie. Let's go.
Are we gonna be chased by the police, Henry? What did you do?
Nothing much. Just like cuts.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Oh, okay.
We need to
That's
take them hostage and then say they need to compensate us so they're gonna get killed.
nothing. Oh God.
That's not illegal. We just need like a quicker action.
We need
Like-
like 30K.
Like, what are you doing now? Just like listening to T-Mac and just
Wait,
smiling
how do you-
at his face.
Yeah, pretty much. Fanboys. You need to shoot him under the belly with an S-Star.
Oh, and then how do you sell them?
You sell them at turtle dealers.
Okay, and then what is an S-Star?
It's the underwater pistol. It's actually in this game. If you go to the rifle dealer, it's called like a turtle poaching, a turtle,
Yeah, total poach.
yeah, turtle poaching harpoon or something. Poor J Dog keeps messaging me, and I keep telling him to go somewhere, and we're like the complete opposite place.
I know.
Yeah, he said he
Wait.
don't know where the map is.
Can you
Don't know
buy
his
a
way
rifle
around.
license?
Yeah, I have a rifle license.
Well, how much is it?
It's expensive. It's like 50, 35K.
Oh,
Hello, guys.
I
How's
only
it
have
going?
enough money to buy a
Alright,
Henry, how the fuck did you get that?
get the
to
fuck
buy a
down
new
on the
box
floor.
truck.
Oh my god.
I'm not
Davey?
pranking, mate. Get on the floor.
You heard him. He's not pranking. Better roleplay. Roleplay your ass off.
You got fucking pranked. You got pranked.
Davey, we should go mine glass.
I took all your money, mate. How does it feel?
I didn't have
Alright.
any money.
Exactly, that's the whole prank. How does it feel?
Off.
Go make some money, bro.
Hold on.
All I have is enough
How
money
did
to
you
get
get
a
hold of that rifle
truck.
anyway?
The what? How
Did
did
you
I get
steal
hold
it?
of it? No, I borrowed it.
Okay, now I need money. I mean, now I need food.
Alright, bend over.
No, not your food.
Alright, hold
Human food. Okay, thanks. Thanks
You
for
know
the
you can buy
human
food here, right?
food.
You can buy food here.
Human food. Do you eat it?
You can get some rabbit food.
I feel like such a thug walking around naked.
Hold on.
all the time.
You are a thug.
You should actually probably hide it, because a police officer just drove by.
They need to compensate me, I don't give a shit.
You're gonna jump that shit.
For what? And this is a toy rifle. It's called the
You like
Slang.
playing army, man.
An AR toy.
Wait, they're gonna come here, it's gonna be great, look.
Oh, we're fucked. We're going to be butt fucked
Let's
by
run,
the police.
let's
Get in the
run
car.
again. Go, go, go.
Why? What happened?
Let's go, the cops are
The popo are coming. I told you not to do that, you stupid. Okay, let's go.
Oh shit, let's take him hostage. Let's go. Go back, go back.
No.
I'll just drop you off. Just go.
Yeah, alright. Film me, man.
We're not coming with you.
No, film me.
If you get shot, you're dead.
Davey,
Henry, sit down.
Yeah.
Davey, why is there an AR-10 in the car?
Don't touch it.
No, I'm asking why is there? I don't
Oh,
think
someone
we
left it.
get pulled over now. Oh, look, the police. Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
There. Where is he?
He's fucked.
He's
Look,
right
look behind you.
Get on, get on.
He's getting wrecked, he's getting wrecked.
Dude, they just opened fire.
They tased him. Has that other gun got ammo in it? We could help him.
Go ahead. Take the gun and go run up there.
It has no ammo.
Do it.
It has no ammo, man.
This is so funny.
Oh, what the fuck is going on? What's going on? Tase me. Tase me. Tase me. What the fuck do you do off this thing?
Why don't you just shoot?
There you go.
This shit is too funny.
Wait, I'm gonna go look at my inventory.
This shit is too funny.
Fuck's sake. I can't even do shit.
He's humping the ground.
Oh! Get him!
He had that glitch where you just
Police
walk.
brutality! You fucking bitch! Why the fuck did you tase
I
me,
think he
you
had that
bitch?
glitch where you just walk.
Dumbass guy.
I don't ask you to tase me.
Dude, he's like a zombie.
He looks like a zombie.
Alright. Wait, I might start running again.
Why won't he shoot the cop? Oh, he's probably out of ammo.
I think you glitched me out.
He's probably out of ammo.
Did you restrain me or something?
Let's get closer.
There you go. Now, I'm restraining and see if I start running again. Oh, alright. Look, have a look, it's a toy rifle. It has no bullets in it, nothing. I'll buy in the toy store.
Oh look, it's a toy rifle.
Do any of you have, like, toy guns?
It's made of plastic, man.
Exactly.
I got one. I got one from the toy store.
Did you just steal my toy gun?
I got one from the toy store.
Yeah,
Do you
no, it's
wanna
a
see my
gun.
toy
You
gun?
can't get ammo for
I
it.
got a toy one.
Well,
Yeah,
I
I
mean,
think it's
I'll
not a real
try
gun,
not to.
so what's it gonna do?
It's gonna go.
It makes some laser sounds. It goes pew 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 pew.
How the fuck do I pick you up? There you go. Look at the sounds it makes.
It's pretty cool, you know.
Pew, 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 pew.
We just hear you clicking.
No,
Yeah,
that was
look.
the shot. That was the
Pew
shot.
pew pew. Pew.
Yeah, we all have one.
Pew.
Holy shit. Officer, we need you to get on the floor. We're robbing you with a toy gun.
Oh, he did it! I can't believe he
Drop all your shit, mate. We're not
Drop
pranking.
did it! Officer! Officer, did you really just let these guys rob you with toy guns?